Okay, on the way to Big Burger Drive-In in Molalla, meeting up with Amber and Wally. It's going to be quite a ride going the long way, the back roads. Never been to this burger joint. Amber just texted me and asked if I wanted to meet them there. Sounds like an old-timey place. Should be fun. I got the GoPro Hero 9 yesterday, trying it out for the first time. It will do 5K 30 video as opposed to the maximum of 4K on the Hero 8. So I'm trying that out, the highest resolution. I figured, why not? It gives you a lot more options when you're editing. For zooming and panning. The other thing the Hero 9 has is fancy horizon leveling. I don't have that turned on right now, but I could see where that would be pretty good. You can actually flip the camera all the way around and it keeps the horizon level. Pretty amazing. And another feature it has that I'm really looking forward to is a delay timer, so you can tell it what time you want it to start, and say you want to do a time lapse at midnight, but you want to set it up earlier before you go to bed. You can set the timer, set it out on a tripod, and it'll automatically turn on at that given time, and you can have it shut down when you want to. So I can see where that'll be real useful. I haven't noticed the screen's a little sluggish, the LCD screen, when I was setting it up, but it's okay. I got the latest firmware update on it, so it's probably as good as it's going to get, but it was reasonably usable. Now if I just don't get any of those random overheating and shutdown issues that I've read about. So yeah, it's going to take about an hour to get there, going the back roads that the GPS is guiding me on. warm day today. Probably about 80 degrees. Really nice. A little hazy, but probably still getting a few remnants of the forest fire smoke. But the air quality is still reasonably good. Another thing I've heard about the GoPro Hero 9 is the battery life isn't great. Of course, it's going to limit the battery life a little bit more with shooting in 5K, so we'll see how it does. If I can get a good hour out of it, that'd be okay. Bridge over the Willamette River. There are the Willamette Falls. Oregon Crab Fish Market. Family owned since 1936. Wow. It's quite the mainstay of Oregon City. We're getting out in the woods pretty good. Beaver Lake. Huh. Looks like they've got it dammed up. Must be their water source. Yeah, this is really taking me the back way through the residential district. going to be a little bit late. Supposed to be there at 2:30 and it's telling me I'll be there in about 2:43. Fashionably late. Hi, thanks for waiting. Yeah, it took me longer than I thought, and I thought, well, maybe I should stop and text, and I thought, well, no, I'm going to be there pretty quick.